Introducing Harrington Carpet Tiles by Euronics. With an extensive selection of over 50 unique colors and designs, Harrington Carpet Tiles effortlessly harmonize with any ambience, turning your space into a masterpiece. Our team comprises of highly skilled and experienced installers located across India, ready to bring your design vision to life. Our carpet tiles have undergone rigorous testing, ensuring they meet the highest standards of dimensional stability, color retention, stain resistance, and fire safety. This makes them not only visually appealing, but also a secure and reliable flooring option. Harrington also offers state-of-the-art 3D carpet design services. We offer an impressive warranty of up to 12 years. With our extensive presence in numerous cities across India, we assure punctual deliveries and seamless post-purchase service.